Sarah is a 32-year-old entrepreneur living in Austin, Texas. She makes a six-figure income, but you wouldn't know it by looking at her lifestyle. She doesn't waste money on things she doesn't need. Instead, she focuses on what truly matters: travel, good food, and financial freedom. But Sarah isn't cheap. She isn't afraid to spend money. She just spends it smartly. In 2025, frugal living isn't about cutting out everything fun. It's about getting the most value for your money. People are finding creative ways to save, renting instead of buying, and hacking their grocery bills. This video will show you what modern frugal living looks like. We'll explore real-life strategies that help people spend less, enjoy life more, and build wealth without feeling deprived. Ready to see how smart spending can change your life? Let's dive in. Number 1. Frugal living is not being cheap. It's about maximizing value. Many people think being frugal means being cheap, but that's not true. Cheap means spending the least amount of money possible, no matter the quality. Frugal means getting the best value for your money. Take Sarah, for example. She loves fashion but never pays full price for designer clothes. Instead, she buys high-quality secondhand items, uses cashback apps, and waits for big discounts. She gets the same luxury brands without wasting money. Being frugal also means spending money where it matters. A cheap person buys the lowest price shoes, but they wear out in months. A frugal person buys durable, high-quality shoes that last for years, saving money in the long run. In 2025, frugal living is also about sustainability. People are choosing reusable items, buying secondhand, and repairing instead of replacing. This not only saves money, but also helps the planet. Frugal living isn't about sacrificing happiness. It's about spending wisely, so you can afford the things you truly enjoy. Number 2. The 2025 Smart Consumer: How people are cutting costs creatively. In 2025, smart consumers are finding new and creative ways to save money without lowering their quality of life. Housing costs are higher than ever, but many people are solving this by sharing living spaces in creative ways. Some rent out extra rooms on Airbnb to cover their mortgage, while others join modern co-living spaces where they share amenities and reduce expenses. Food prices have also gone up, but technology is helping people spend less on groceries. AI-powered meal planning apps suggest the cheapest meals based on discounts in local stores. Smart frugal shoppers also use zero-waste cooking, where leftovers from one meal become ingredients for the next, cutting food waste and grocery bills. Subscription services used to be convenient, but now they drain bank accounts. More people are canceling unused subscriptions and switching to free or pay-per-use options. Instead of paying for multiple streaming services, some families rotate subscriptions, only paying for one at a time. Others take advantage of free trials, shared family plans, or switch to free content platforms. Spending less doesn't mean missing out. Many people are using barter systems and online communities to trade goods and services instead of buying new. Apps and Facebook groups allow people to swap furniture, borrow tools, or even trade skills like photography or tutoring. In 2025, being frugal isn't about cutting corners. It's about being smart with your money and using creative solutions to live well without overspending. Number 3. Digital frugality: How tech helps you save big. Technology is making it easier than ever to live frugally without feeling like you're missing out. In 2025, smart consumers are using apps and digital tools to track spending, find discounts, and cut unnecessary costs. Instead of manually budgeting, people now rely on AI-powered apps that analyze their spending habits and suggest ways to save. These apps can automatically cancel unused subscriptions, remind users of bill due dates, and even negotiate lower rates for internet and phone plans. Shopping has also changed. Instead of impulsively buying items at full price, frugal shoppers use browser extensions that find coupon codes and cashback deals. Some even use AI-driven price trackers that notify them when an item they want drops in price. Renting instead of buying has also become popular. Instead of purchasing expensive tools, designer clothes, or electronics, people now rent them for short-term use through digital sharing platforms. Even entertainment has gone frugal. Free streaming services, ebook libraries, and ad-supported music apps allow people to enjoy content without monthly fees. Technology has made it possible to spend less without feeling deprived, proving that frugal living in 2025 is about being smart, not restrictive. Number 4. The new work-life balance, earning more while spending less. In 2025, people are rethinking the way they work and spend money. Instead of chasing high salaries and long hours, many are choosing a smarter path, earning well while living frugally. With remote work more common than ever, some workers are moving to cheaper cities or even other countries where the cost of living is lower. By earning a Western salary while living in a place with lower expenses, they save thousands of dollars a year without sacrificing their lifestyle. Many are also discovering the power of multiple income streams. Instead of relying on one paycheck, they monetize their skills in creative ways, selling digital products, offering online services, or using AI tools to automate side hustles. With technology making it easier to work from anywhere, people are spending less time in offices and more time living. Smart professionals are also finding ways to earn more while working less. Instead of chasing promotions that demand more hours, they focus on high-value skills that allow them to charge more for their work. Some even negotiate remote work arrangements so they can spend more time with family or travel while still earning a stable income. This new balance isn't about sacrificing ambition. It's about living smarter, spending wisely, working efficiently, and creating a life with more freedom. The future of work is no longer about just making money. It's about making money work for you. Number 5. The joy of spending on what truly matters. Frugal living isn't about never spending money. It's about spending on the things that truly bring happiness. Instead of wasting money on impulse purchases, people in 2025 are becoming more mindful about where their money goes. They are choosing experiences over things, realizing that memories last longer than material possessions. A weekend trip with family, a special dinner with friends, or a class to learn a new skill often brings more joy than another trendy gadget. Traveling has also become smarter. Instead of paying for expensive hotels, people are using home swapping services or credit card points to explore the world without breaking the bank. They still enjoy luxury experiences, but they find creative ways to spend less while getting more value. Frugal people also understand that giving can be more rewarding than buying for themselves. Studies show that spending on others, whether through charity, small gifts, or helping a friend, creates a sense of happiness that no material object can match. At the heart of frugal living is the idea of intentional spending. It's not about depriving yourself. It's about making sure that every dollar you spend adds real value to your life. How to start a frugal life today without feeling miserable. Starting a frugal life doesn't mean giving up everything you enjoy. It simply means being more aware of how you spend money and making small changes that add up over time. The first step is to take a close look at your spending. Most people don't realize how much money they waste on things they don't actually need or use. By tracking expenses for a month, it becomes easier to see where small adjustments can make a big difference. A simple way to start is by cutting out unnecessary expenses without sacrificing happiness. Instead of quitting all fun activities, find free or cheaper alternatives. A coffee from home instead of a daily cafe visit, a home-cooked meal instead of takeout, or a second-hand purchase instead of buying new can save money without feeling restrictive. Mindset is important too. Frugal living should feel empowering, not limiting. Instead of focusing on what you're cutting, think about what you're gaining: more financial freedom, less stress, and the ability to spend on things that truly matter. Many people find support in online frugal communities where they share ideas, challenges, and successes. Frugality is not about living a boring life. It's about making smarter choices so you can enjoy life even more. By starting with small, manageable changes, anyone can build a frugal lifestyle that feels good and brings long-term benefits. Frugal living in 2025 is about making smart choices so that your money works for you, not the other way around. It's a way of life that allows people to enjoy more, stress less, and build real financial freedom. Instead of feeling deprived, frugal people feel empowered. They are not trapped in the cycle of overspending, debt, and regret. Instead, they choose what truly matters, whether it's traveling, investing in experiences, or simply having the peace of mind that comes with financial stability. The best part is that anyone can start today. It doesn't require extreme sacrifices, just small changes that lead to big results. It means enjoying life fully while still saving for the future. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. If you made it to this point in the video, Please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.